Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for the daily wrap-up for Monday, October 3rd, first trading day of the fourth quarter. Started out pretty much the same way as the third quarter ended. Third quarter, the only thing that was up was the U.S. Treasury bonds was up 6%, the S&P was down 14%. Overnight, the equity markets were hurt all across all the Europeans and the Asians were both down. So realistically, it was not a good overnight. The S&Ps did attempt to rally about 10 points right before the opening, but the bonds had none of it, and the bonds really were kind of like set the tone for the whole day. The bonds were bid the entire day. There was a flight to quality and the safety of the U.S. Treasury bonds all day. So even when the equities rallied a little bit, because we had pretty good ISM numbers at 9 o'clock this morning, also we had construction spending that was actually pretty good here today. Auto sales were also pretty good. When the equities attempted to rally on this, the bonds stayed bid, and we went down and down and down during the day, and we closed pretty much in our lows. The S&P closed down 32 at 1099, so we are now beyond, we have bounced 7 times off the 1120 on a closing low, and so we went through that today, and actually we had a intraday low of 1101, set I think August 8th. We closed below that too, so this technically looks ugly. The Dow closed down 258 at 10654. NASDAQ closed down 79 at 2335. The bonds were bid all day, and the 10-year note closed at 1.78. Once again, we're getting back down to, we haven't broke them, but we are coming back down to the 1.70 yield we had on August 8th and August 9th. Dollar was very strong the whole day. It closed at 79.43, up 0.81. Gold up $33. Silver was strong most of the day, closed up but gave up a little bit of it. Looking forward here, we don't really have much. It's a pretty full economic calendar, but nothing that could potentially change this stream that we have going on here. So the ECB is meeting Thursday, and the jobs number is meeting on Friday. So either one of those, if they were good, potentially could change this. But right now, both technically and fundamentally, things look very weak in the market. This has been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.